Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Truecaller and signing in with your phone number. That gives the app access to ID features. Once you verify the SMS code, grant contacts and notifications so the app can match incoming numbers and show alerts. Make sure to allow microphone only if you plan to use call recording features. Note, call recording has legal limits. After permissions, the app will prompt to set up caller ID. Go ahead and choose to continue so identification can begin immediately. Now enable Truecaller in iPhone call blocking and identification so incoming calls show names. Go to Settings, Phone, and flip Truecaller on. This integrates with iOS Call Kit and is the only way Truecaller can display ID on the native call screen. Once done, return to the Truecaller app to customize spam sensitivity, add numbers to your personal block list, and enable identification preferences. Make sure spam blocking strength matches your tolerance for false positives. Adjust and finish by testing. Ask another phone to call you and watch the incoming screen for Truecaller's label. If you don't see the ID, go back to Settings, right arrow phone, right arrow call blocking and identification, and toggle Truecaller off and on. That often resets Call Kit. If issues persist, restart the iPhone, update or reinstall Truecaller, and re-grant permissions. Remember to check app updates after iOS upgrades. Keeping the app current prevents permission mismatches and restores proper identification behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.